Hey, what's up everyone? This is Soham Pramanik and you're watching my channel on how-tos, tutorials and technical know-hows. I received a few requests in my videos on Windows 10 regarding how to enable or disable the Hibernate option in Windows 10. In this video I'm going to show you that, and in my next video I'm going to show you some tweaks on how to optimize your Windows 10 for the best performance settings. So let's get started. So for that, first what you need to do is, in desktop there are two ways to do it. Firstly, in desktop you can go to this battery icon in the taskbar. You can right click on that and go to power options directly, or what you can also do is you can go to start menu, then click on this settings. Once you are here in the Windows settings, you can click on system. Here you can see on the left side there is power and sleep. Once you click on that, this page opens up. Over here you have to click on additional power settings on the right. So clicking on that takes you to the same page like what we had gone to by right clicking here and going to power options. So it's fairly simple, this process, and I'm sure you will find it useful. So please do subscribe, like and share, because I'm sure you'll be helping others by sharing this video also. So let's continue. Here, once you're in this page, what you need to do is you have to go to choose what the power button does. Once you've clicked on this link, you will get this page. Here, as you can see, the shutdown settings are there: turn on, fast startup, sleep, hibernate, lock. So now in this, when you click on this start option and you click on this power button, as you can see right now hibernate is not here. So this is the problem which you might be facing. Since hibernate is not clicked over here, not checked, that is why it is not there. The others are there because it's checked over here. So for including hibernate here, you have to click on this change settings that are currently unavailable. Once you've clicked on that, this comes alive, and now you can see you can check on hibernate option. Once you have done that and it is checked, click on save changes down below. You have done this. Now you can close it. You can close this also, refresh, and now once you click on start and you click on power button, you can see hibernate option is here. So guys, that's how you do it. In my next video I'm going to show you how to optimize your Windows 10 for the best performance settings. In case you have missed some other interesting videos that I've posted recently, you can click on the video links on the screen marked with red arrow right now. And remember, your little share of the video in your groups will help a lot of people. Thank you for watching. This is Soham Pramanik.